Welcome today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notification sounds on that device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the notification button. Now just to mute your notifications, you should swipe this blue dot to the right, to the left side with your finger or with the pen by this way. And that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down one button, that doesn't matter, and after that click here on the settings icon, and now just once again, and now just click here to see more, and we'll launch again the sound settings, and you can mute it just by the same way here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.